Hey guys, Gadget Junkie, bringing you a drone gadget today. In this video, I'm featuring the STARTRC drone landing pad. Full transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. And since I bought this here, they have upgraded the colors on it, but it's the same product. So basically what you have here, guys, is a vinyl landing pad. It folds down to be about the size of an iPad. Folds out very quickly and easily. So they do give you some spikes here if you're putting this down. If it's windy outside and you want to secure this even more, they do give you some spikes. These grommets here are very well made. They're nice and metal, so you can put those down and hold your landing pad down in inclement weather. They also give you a stuff sack if you want to store it in that as well. But basically, guys, here you have a waterproof surface. It's made out of vinyl. This is going to fit all of your consumer drones for sure. So this here is an Air 2S. As you can see, it fits on there, no problems whatsoever. Here's an Avata 2, fits on there, no problem. And here's a Flip, fits on there, no problem. I've got a Mini 3 Pro and a Mini 4 Pro. They all fit on there the same, so no problems there. It folds up quickly and easily. Goes down into a backpack for easy storage and transport. So if you guys are looking for a landing pad to make sure that no debris is getting up into your propellers, I highly recommend the STARTRC drone landing pad. Hope this helps.